Hello everyone, good evening. In this video I want to show you how to make a different type of potato porridge. I actually learned this type from the Moroccans. So right now we are going to start. You see that I'm boiling the meat already. The meat is on the fire. So that's meat. I cut the meat. Make sure I slice it very tiny. So that's the style. Don't need to allow the meat to be so big. So right now I'm going to put, I'm adding, you notice I'm adding the tomatoes inside. Normally I used to fry onions, fried tomatoes. But this tomato that I'm adding is not the raw one. It's the fried one from the supermarket. So you get fried tomatoes from the supermarket. So that's what I'm adding right now. Added about 3 spoons of it, no? So that's what I'm adding. So right now I'm adding the seasoning cube to it. So that's what you see in my hands that I'm adding. I actually added one. I believe one of them it's okay for me to use. I don't want to add much of it. For the quantity of food I'm cooking, one of them is enough for me to use. And right now I covered it for it to cook. So we are going to leave it to cook for some time. When it cooks for some time, we'll check it again to see how it is. So you see it has boiled, mixed together. So right now, because the meat is cooked, it's already soft, I decided to add the potatoes. You don't add the potatoes from the beginning, so it will not overcook. So that is what I'm doing right now. I've added you see the way I slice the potatoes, so it will not be overcooked, And secondly, you see what I'm adding on top, the veggies I'm adding. I love those veggies. They are so beautiful. The veggies you see there, you see carrots and the broccoli, and also you see the green peas that is on top as well. I'm adding to it, so I'm mixing it all together. You can as well use only the green peas. That's actually what I know of. So that gives it a very nice color and makes it a complete meal. You having your balanced diet is when all the nutrients is complete. So that is the essence of having a balanced diet. When you're eating your food, you should know what you're eating. It's not just the if the food has the quantity of the food or whatever. Make sure you look at the nutrients inside your food when you're eating it. So right now I'm adding salt and curry. The salt is for taste. Actually going to mix them together right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. At this point, the meat are soft. The veggies doesn't need much time to cook. The potatoes as well doesn't need much time to cook. Doesn't take time at all. It doesn't really take time. Just the heat will make the potatoes soft. So let's wait for it as it cooks. Right now I cover it to simmer for some minutes. And I'm adding bay leaf. Oh, I love bay leaves in all my cookings. I love bay leaves. I love bay leaves in all my cooking. Oh my God. I love bay leaves. I add it to it. And I also cut, I sliced green pepper. That's the round one. This green pepper, there are a lot of them. The other one is the long one. Why this round one? I prefer this round one, like the round ball. And also the red bell pepper too. I also slice them big. I slice them big because I want to see it after cooking. I want to still see it inside. That's what I added there. Also the red Scotch pepper. That's the hot one. That's what I added to it because I want pepper in it. So right now I finished cooking it. It doesn't really take time. It was good for a short while. So you watch this video, watch it to the end. Make sure you watch it to the end. Subscribe to this channel. I have a lot to do. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 1,000. It's been a long time that people are watching this channel but no subscription. Please subscribe. Let's get from 1,000 and go forward. Let's move forward, please. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye.